श्री तुळजाभवानी कॉम्प्लेक्स 1 BHK 2 BHK and shop project by श्री तुळजाभवानी डेव्हलपर्स गवंटीवाडा अपोजिट आशा पार्क नियर भरडनाका मालवण सिंधुदुर्ग। आपल्या स्वप्नातील घर प्रत्यक्षात। कॉन्टॅक्ट डिटेल्स फॉर बुकिंग 9773 71 27 27 9404 15 53 77 9969 16 05 16 9404 44 86 27। नवी दिल्ली इथं राष्ट्रीय सागरमाला प्रकल्प सर्वोच्च समितीच्या बैठकीला मत्स्य व्यवसाय आणि बंदरे विकास मंत्री नितेश राणेंनी उपस्थिती लावली। या बैठकीदरम्यान गोव्याचे मुख्यमंत्री प्रमोद सावंत, अंदमान निकोबारचे गव्हर्नर ॲडमिरल DK जोशी, कर्नाटक राज्याचे मत्स्य व बंदरे मंत्री मानकल वैद्य, आंध्र प्रदेशचे रस्ते निर्माण मंत्री BC जनार्दन रेड्डी यांची भेट देखील झाली। याचे व्हिडिओ फोटो त्यांनी शेअर केले।
Invite us for this very important meeting, which will surely drive the development of our concerned state. To begin with, I would like to thank Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji for his great vision, through which in the state of Maharashtra, under the leadership of our Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, we have a very important project of Wadman Port, which will be a milestone in our country's development in the coming years. As rightly mentioned by Honorable Minister Nitin Gadkari ji, our country today needs a 20-meter draft. And I'll be happy to mention that our Wadman Port will be having a 20-meter draft, which will surely pave way to a lot of development and employment opportunities in our country. Going ahead, there are few important aspects that I would mention in our this concerned meeting. The entire Sagarmala committee meeting, which is a very great opportunity for every state in order to initiate and encourage development in the port sector. As Maharashtra, we have total 24 projects in which 14 are ongoing work and 17 are not yet, and 7 are not yet started. 8 projects worth 350 crore have been pending for approval under the Sagarmala project. And as the Department of Ports, I would really like to request Honorable Minister and concerned of the Central Ministry, if you would really look into the environmental clearance project, which is a major concern for our ministry. Lot of under the Sagarmala project have been delayed just because we do not get the environmental clearances in time. So I would really request, as we are going ahead and as we have launched the Sagarmala 2.0 program, as states, if we want to finish all these programs in time and to utilize all these funds, we really need the central support in terms of getting the environmental clearances in time. Also, the NCLMA constitution has to be approved, which also has to be looked by the central ministry. As Maharashtra state, we are really looking into developing our state through the port and the maritime industry. The shipbuilding industry, which has been promoted by Honorable Prime Minister and by the Honorable Cabinet Minister. We as Maharashtra state, under the leadership of Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, we have been promoting our own policies about shipbuilding and shipbreaking. which in due course time we will be promoting to our state. Once again, I would thank Honorable Minister Sonwal ji to invite us and encourage us under the Sagarmala Apex Committee meeting, and this will surely contribute in our country's development. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Thank you, sir. So, Honorable Minister from Andhra Pradesh wants to add a few words.
Sorry, sir.
आमचे दिवसभरातले सर्व अपडेट्स, ताज्या घडामोडी आणि थेट लाईव्ह पाहण्यासाठी सबस्क्राईब करा, लाईक करा कोकणचं नंबर 1 महा चॅनल कोकणसाद लाईव्हचं YouTube चॅनल.